growth in the digitalization and the amount of data information that you need to process in the manufacturing, we have a really increased demand for the IPCs, for example. Because with IPCs, we can provide large storages, process a large amount of information. Then we have so many interfaces that you can communicate in your plant. And also, because since this is an industrial application, we need to make sure the device or the IPC will support this environment, because normally they are harsh environments. That's why we need rugged devices. Then you ask me, why an IPC? Why not a normal commercial PC? Since they can they have the same interfaces, they can process the same information, they can run the same softwares. The main difference between the commercial PC and the industrial PCs is the hardware constructions. We are sure that for industrial PCs, they will support the industrial environments. They are rugged enough to support the industrial environments. They have the same features and they can process a lot of information and the same technology that a commercial PC. Then they have the multiple interfaces, and normally they are prepared for industrial protocols and industrial communication too. They are also flexible and versatile like industrial PC. But the main difference, other than the hardware construction that's really robust, is the long life cycle. Normally all the components of the one IPC, they belong to the embedded portfolio, then you can guarantee a long life cycle. Talking about the Siemens Industrial PCs, our Siematic IPCs, we make sure that we always have the latest PC technology on our products. Then since we do all the development in-house from our hardware and our software, we make sure that everything is compatible and works with each other without any issues. And also can make sure they will be available for a long time, and they are compatible between generations. The form factor, they continue the same. Then another advantage we have integrated diagnostics that you can make sure that you can see what is wrong with your IPC. And we also have options that you can access remotely depending on your IPC, where your IPC is. If it's in another location, then you don't need to have someone to go to this location to do the maintenance on your IPC. You can have the option to do this remotely. Talking about our portfolio, we have different products for different applications. We have IPCs that you can install closest to the machine for more to the enterprise environments, like, for example, when you need a higher performance or expandability in your applications. We have the embedded portfolio that you can see. We have the 400 series, the IPC 427E and the IPC 477E. They are the two series of the embedded IPCs. This is the boxes PCs. It's basically the computer in form of a box. It's completely fanless, that we call virtually maintenance free, because we don't have any fan over here. We have multiple interfaces that you can connect to your factory and of course run your industrial protocols. This is the panel PC. The panel PC is basically the box PC in a configuration with the display or the LCD here. We have a combination when you need to have your PC and your visualization close to each other. You have options from the 15 to 19, 22, and 4 inches, from the single touch option to the multi-touch options. If you need more processing, more performance, and more expandability, because we have many more interfaces, then you can go over our high-end and our advanced IPCs. We also now have an option for the basic IPCs. They are available from the stock, because normal IPCs, they are built to order with the amount of configurations that we have. Now we have this option that are already in stock here. Other advantages with the growth of the digitalization, of course, the demand for IPCs, we Siemens want to make sure that our customers, they take benefits of our products. And with that, we are assembling some configurations here in the US now, making the lead time for the manufacturing really short. all the assembly here has the same quality and process that we have in our factory in Germany. For the Siemens IPCs, we have products that you can use from simple data collector or convert protocols, for example. Then you can see here we have our industrial gateway, our IoT 2040. This is an industrial gateway that ready to work 24/7 with multiple interfaces. Then completely open, you can develop your own application to convert whatever protocol you have to talk between your machines. Even if they are from different manufacturers, you can develop your own application and make these two machines or other products to talk to each other. And you can go from automation tasks, then you can have your visualization, your SCADA system installed in one of the other IPCs, or we have also our industrial servers, when you need a lot of performance and manage a lot of information or data. The Siemens IPCs, they are also part of our TIA portal, then they're full tested and compatible with our software, our TIA portal. We also have our SCADA system as an option, as a bundle or a package that you can, when you buy both together, you can have the advantage or price reductions for your application. And of course, our Siemens S7 1500 controller that we installing on IPC, you can use it as a PLC, as a PC-based application. When Siemens IPCs, you can take advantage of the multiple forms you have, like for example, the industrial tablet for our mobile computing. This is basically a tablet. It's a tablet PC. It's basically a notebook in format of a tablet with interfaces for barcode reader, card reader. Then we have the camera options, all in one device. As mentioned before, we have our own in-house development that do assure the high quality for our products. Then you can get advantage of the integrated diagnostics, the long-term availability, and all the certifications we have for our own software. Thanks for watching, and we appreciate your interest in the reliable and range industrial PCs from Siemens, and see you next time.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.